Hey, how's everybody doing? This is Junior with DLT transmission. We're here with a teardown on 68 RFE. This is what happens when a turret converter binds up with the input shaft and the direct drum. The fun part to get it out of there. We'll be back. See, we try to do this, never gonna work. All the bits anyway, so no use in trying to salvage anything. This is trash. Went on to the rear section of the transmission. Coming out. Man, this thing's still hot, bro. That shit don't make no sense. Make no sense. Still warm, fam. Oh yeah, I gotta do that little snap ring in the back. First, let me take this. Turn around, get this back section off so we can get into that rear section. Oh, I eat that about a bit. I'm turning around, fuck this. That's it. That's all she wrote, guys. Sorry I don't have more to show you, but that's all there is to this piece of shit. All there is to this 68 LP. Little cakewalk. Check the spray in here. All right. Looks like we're ready for a parts list, guys. Input drum, input shaft, pump, turret converter. Sounds expensive, right? I just saw what happens when the turret converter binds up with the input drum and the pump. Everything breaks, it gets molded up. And there's no use in trying to salvage these parts, guys, so I'm gonna get a new set. And they even tried to install Sonax drum in this. Alrighty guys, Junior with DLT transmission checking out on the teardown of 68 RFE. We got the 5R110 in the wash machine. We're probably gonna start in a little bit. We'll be back with that.